What's up, yo? You having a good time so far? You having fun? Right on. I'm in a great mood. March Madness is going on. Playoff basketball's coming up. Big hoop fan. Any other hoop fans in here? Basketball fans? Right on. Love basketball, man. I watch like every game that I can. The thing about me, though, is I only watch basketball by myself. I used to watch with my family. Can't anymore. Mom's commentary, out of control. Completely insane. We were watching the Warriors a couple months back, right? Klay Thompson, Steph Curry, they're balling out. And out of nowhere, my mom goes, "Damn! Where did all these light-skinned brothers come from?" I was like, "I don't know, Mom, interracial marriages. Like the one you've been in for 20 years. That is a wild question for your mom to ask when she is the means of production for light-skinned brothers. I was like, "Mom, where do they come from? You made the lightest one." What? I am mixed race. I'm half black, biracial. Shout out. I'm black the same way a tomato is a fruit. It's crazy how genetics work, right? You got half black people that look like Barack Obama, Drake, Mariah Carey, and then sometimes you just get Puerto Rican Michael Phelps with low self-esteem. No, for context, my dad is black. My mom is Larry Bird. Put those together, you get an Italian Muppet. That's like I look like I own a pizzeria on Sesame Street. Today's word of the day is mozzarella. Like that's the vibe I give off, man. It's tough for people that like, don't know what to make of me, being half black, looking like this. I got pulled over the other day. Got pulled over, I rolled down my window, was like, "Oh, is there a problem, officer?" He just looked at me and he went, "Maybe." Officer Johnson called the forensics unit? Do we have a 23andMe kit in the back? I don't know. How we're gonna make this dude out, man. I grew up Catholic, which means that I'm not Catholic anymore. That's the thing, right? It's like everyone says they grew up Catholic. Nobody's just Catholic. Like, we treat that like we're in the program. You know what I mean? Like, "Hi, my name's Matt. I grew up Catholic. And it's been 2 years since I've had a communion wafer. It's been 2 years. Just trying not to relapse." I grew up really Catholic. I grew up super Catholic. I was an altar boy for years. I was this height when I stopped. That's too tall. That's too tall for that job. I get on stage with a piece of people like, "That's an altar man." What is happening there? That guy can just drink the wine. We don't even have to change it for him. This guy's doing Bevmo runs for the Lord up there. Like, it's like Jesus died on the cross. That guy should be working on his crossover on the court. What are we? 1% of Catholics are black. Very small because Dominicans are lying to themselves. No, being black and Catholic is like being black at a Weezer concert. Nobody's mad that you're there, but everyone is like, "How did you find out?" I don't know if you guys know this, but if you start the New Testament and the Blue Album at the same time, it syncs up perfectly. Jesus is on the cross, it's like, "Say it ain't so." One year, my church, we had a talent show, and they made it American Idol themed, because that's what we do when you're white trash in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania in 2007. Month before the talent show, our priest is hyping it up. He's like, "We've got this talent show coming up. It's American Idol themed, and we need one more judge. We already have a Simon and a Paula. We just need one person in the church to be Randy Jackson. Who wants to be Randy Jackson for the talent show?" And a congregation of 900 white people all simultaneously start turning and smiling at my big black dad. My dad sees this, he sees what's going on, he turns to me. Most vulnerable my father has ever been with me in his life. Sees all these white people wanting him to be Randy Jackson, and he goes, "Matt, am I really that fat?" Dude, that's not why they want you to be Randy Jackson. Like, my dad's a nice guy, though. He did it. He was Randy Jackson for this talent show. But in the month leading up to it, he lost 30 pounds so he wouldn't look like Randy Jackson anymore. Crazy amount of commitment, right? The joke was on him. That same month, Randy Jackson got liposuction. Dwayne was going for the Oscar. Hey, I've been Matt Duckett. Thank you very much, everybody.